Hey there, my name is London, and I'm here to teach you all about the letter Q. Let's get going. This is the letter Q. Ready to learn what sound the letter Q makes? The most common sound the letter Q makes sounds like a blend of the letter K sound and the letter W sound, like this: qua, qua, qua. Go ahead, give it a try. Good job. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter Q sound. Quack, quiz, quarter, question, quick. Those words all start with the letter Q sound. Let's say those words together. Quack, quiz, quarter, question, quick. Good job. Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the letter Q sound. Here's an example. If I were to say quilt, quilt, and then ask you if it starts with the letter Q sound, you would say, yep, quilt does start with the letter Q sound. But if I were to say the word scissors, scissors, and then ask you if it starts with the letter Q sound, you would say, nope, scissors does not start with the letter Q sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Queen. Does queen start with the letter Q sound? Yep, queen does start with the letter Q sound. Now for your second word. Quarterback. Does quarterback start with the letter Q sound? Yep, quarterback does start with the letter Q sound. Let's try that one more time. Mouse. Does mouse start with the letter Q sound? Nope, mouse does not start with the letter Q sound. Good job. Thanks for joining me today to learn about the letter Q sound. See you later.